Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness and I am here with a product spotlight. Today I'm featuring the Sunspot background die from Cat Scrappiness. It's a cutie too. Cat was so sweet to send me this die to play with. This is a true A2 cover plate with a great sunray motif, and look at all the dots that it cuts out. It has a pierced detail in the center, and this piece pops out as well, the center. Let me show you what the cover plate looks like cut out of white cardstock. Super duper cute. This is a 110-pound cardstock, and see how it cut it so well. It's not even crushed on the back. You know, sometimes when you look at the back after cutting something, you can see little marks and warping. Cut clean and nice. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And with this die, how I did my example, I had to pull out a quokka. I just love these little guys. So cute, especially look at her. So this one, because it has that whole focus in this little center piece, I did a peeker. This quokka comes from the Valentine quokka stamp and die set. I don't have the die with me, but I do have the matching die for it. There she is, a little peeker looking off to the side. Isn't she cute? So this is a female. That's the male. If you want to turn this one female, just, you know, put some little eyelashes if you want. Here's a little smooching, and there's smiling. I love this set. There's a little bow right there, and the matching die does cut out that bow. And I did put in an enamel dot here in the center, just in a different colorway. Let me show you up close. In this instance, I went glitterati. Glitter cardstock in the background, and then the white cover panel in the sunspot background with the sun rays. I think this is so cute and fun. It has a certain energy to it, right? And I realized looking at it, so the orientation could have been this way. I could have done it this way where it's on the lower half and then that goes higher. I decided to keep her up high. You could turn it sideways too for another look, it going that way or that way. So it has a certain motion to it with the rays on this die. I think this is so cute. So I put glitter behind mine. If you want to make it a little bit more elegant, I took out some red glitter cardstock, and this one is more like a, well, yeah, like a red flat shimmer glitter. It's not as raised as that one. Look at this for the holidays. Isn't that pretty? And you could put this on the outside. I didn't try it, but why not do the cover panel in this instead of the white cardstock? I kind of like the white on top and then the color peeking in the background. But super duper cute for the holidays. I also pulled out a sheet of silver to it as well. So here it is with silver. Look at that. High shine, but it tones it down with the cover plate. Or you can go traditional, just straight cardstock. Look at that. Very, very cute die. I hope you like my little product spotlight on the Sunspot background die by Cat Scrappiness. I will put links below for both the stamp die set and, of course, the cover plate. And this hugs comes from one of Cat's awesome word die sets, Sending Paper Hugs. And I just kind of snipped right there and just used the hugs here. And I worked something with the, right here, that shadow. You just don't know. What my line right here is covered up by her arm. Crafting, gotta make it work. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, please see details and links below. Stay crafty, my friends. Check out Cat Scrappiness and her awesome new release too. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Bye.